Many students were asking me to make some motivational video, so here I am with my way to inspire you. We are going to see the perks of scoring All India Rank 1. I know most of you will be thinking that we are not going to score All India Rank 1, so why to watch this video? Don't worry, I also didn't score All India Rank 1. But just assume for a moment that you score All India Rank 1 and let's dive into the video.
What if?
So let's talk about the money part that most of you might be interested in. How much All India Rank 1 earns?
Here comes the money.
So I researched about it and I found out one thing in common about most of the toppers, that all the toppers join the test series of FIITJEE. They don't study in FIITJEE but they still join the test series of FIITJEE, and the reward that they get after scoring All India Rank 1 in FIITJEE is 1 crore rupees. Just imagine 1 crore rupees just for scoring All India Rank 1, and you are not even studying from FIITJEE. And if by God's grace you are studying from FIITJEE for more than 1 year and you score All India Rank 1, you will get 2.5 crore rupees of prize money. And you are studying in FIITJEE for more than 3 years and then you score All India Rank 1, then you are going to get prize money of 4 crore rupees. Just imagine 4 crore rupees just for one rank. And if you are from the Allen Institute, then you are going to get 21 lakh rupees of prize money for scoring All India Rank 1. And if you are lucky, you might get a BMW. And it's common for most of the institutes in Kota to get a BMW or 20 lakhs check. If you are studying in Rao Academy, then the prize money is also 1 crore rupees. And if you are studying in Akash Institute, then it's only 5 lakh rupees. So what are you waiting for? Join FIITJEE. This video is not sponsored by FIITJEE. We don't have that much subscribers. So please consider subscribing. And not only this, you will get many buyers to buy your result. Most of you might already seen some toppers on the banners of different institutes, and who won't sell their result? If I am getting 10 to 20 lakhs just for my face, will you sell your result? Comment down below. So in short,
साला हमारा करियर BMW पे खत्म हो जाएगा। उत्सव का इससे शुरू हो रहा है।
now let's see the fame part. The fame you will get after scoring All India Rank 1. Basically, you will be the king of 1 million aspirants. Everyone will be searching about you. Ministers, business tycoons, sports persons, even Prime Minister will tweet to congratulate you. The Education Minister is going to personally call you to congratulate you about your achievement.
चिराग, मैं डॉक्टर निशंक बोल रहा हूँ।
प्रणाम सर।
प्रणाम। मैं तुमको बहुत बधाई देने के लिए फ़ोन किया, तुमने टॉप किया जेईई एडवांस में।
You will be in the front page of the many newspapers. Every news channel wants to take the interview of you. And not only this, you will get invited from the Prime Minister on the Republic Day. Only All India Rank 1 and All India Rank 2 gets this chance. And just imagine you are shaking the hands with the Prime Minister of the country. And not only this, you will get seat in any IIT, in any field you want. No restrictions, all doors are open for you. Now wake up from your dreams and come to real life. Even if you are not able to score All India Rank 1 and get a decent rank and get into IIT, you are still in a 1% club of the country. So focus on your studies. So if you got inspired from the video and found the video helpful, do like it. It means a lot to me. And subscribe to the channel. See you in another video soon. Bye.